Good morning, children. Today we are getting into our third lesson, that is Panchayat. In this lesson, we are going to know our Panchayat system and we can understand that Panchayat provides the basic facility to the village people. So it will give all the basic facilities to the village people, and we can know about the duties of Gram Sabha and about the local self government. Then the village people heard a Dandora announcement, that is, a special Gram Sabha meeting will be held on Independence Day. So when is our Independence Day, children? Yes, it is on August 15. So all the villagers are requested to participate in that meeting. So what is Dandora announcement, children? So this is Dandora announcement. So nowadays, if any information we have to convey or we have to intimate, means we are using to SMS them, mailing them. But in previous ages, they used only this Dandora announcement. After hearing the announcement, a boy, his name is Inian, he ran away to his home and he asked his father, what did the Dandora announcer say? What he has announced. For that, his dad replied, he has announced that the special Gram Panchayat meeting would be held on Independence Day. So, the Dandora man announced that a special Gram Sabha meeting would be held on Independence Day. For that boy asked his father, what is Gram Sabha meeting? So, what is Gram Sabha meeting? What will they do in that meeting? For that, his father told, people of our village assemble together. They will join together and discuss the roles of the Panchayat board. So in that meeting, all the people of our village will assemble together and discuss the roles of the Panchayat board. Then Inian asked his next question. So what is mean by Panchayat board? So what is mean by Panchayat board? So his father was very glad, which means he was very happy in his curiosity. That is, he wanted to know about Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha and all. So his father was started to explaining. That is, our country is a vast country. Vast means a large. So our country is a large country. So which is our country, children? Yes, India. So our country is a vast country and it has towns and villages. So our country has so many towns and villages. Therefore, there might be many panchayat. Okay, many panchayat must be there in our country. So what is village panchayat? Village panchayat is the root of panchayat system. So what is village panchayat, children? It is the root of panchayat system. And also it gives the basic facilities to the village people. So what is village panchayat? It is the root of panchayat system and also it provides the basic facilities to the village people. And then the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act came into the force in the year 1993. The salient features of 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act is the three-tier system of Panchayat Raj. So, the feature is the three-tier system of Panchayat Raj. The Panchayat have been set up in every village with 500 people and above. So, where we can see this Panchayat system? In the village with 500 people and the above. So, this is the three-tier system. Okay, children, this is the three-tier system. They are village panchayat, panchayat union and district panchayat. Village panchayat is Gram Panchayat Panchayat union is a Panchayat Samiti, and the district Panchayat is a Zilla Parishad. Okay, children, this village Panchayat we can see in village level, and Panchayat union is in block level, and district Panchayat is in district level. Okay, children, this is the 3-tier system, that is village Panchayat, Panchayat union, and district Panchayat. Okay, then this boy Indian asked his father who all are there in a village Panchayat. So, in village Panchayat, who all are there? So, there is a president, that is the head of the Panchayat, and a vice president along with ward members. There might be 6 to 15 members will be there. So, who all are will be there in Panchayat? The president, that is the head of the Panchayat, and a vice president along with ward members. There will be a 6 to 15 members will be there. Then, how do the Panchayat members are selected? So, how the Panchayat members, there are, that is president, vice president, and the ward members are selected. So, village people select the president and members through the election by voting system. By the election, village people will select the president and the members through voting system. And the tenure of the members, that is the working period. The working period of the members of Panchayat is 5 years. The working period of the members of Panchayat is 5 years, and the vice president is elected by the ward members. So, the village people only select the president and the members through voting system, but the vice president is selected by the ward members. And the working period of the members of Panchayat is 5 years. Then, in page number 151, they have given a method, one of the traditional method, that is called Kudavolai. It is a traditional method of election. So, the village people will gather in one place and they used to write the names of the preferred candidates in palm leaves. So, they used to write the names of the selected candidates in the palm leaves and kept them in a mud pot. That is called Kudam in Tamil. Okay, so one child was called to pick the palm leaves one by one from that pot. The persons whose names in the palm leaves were declared elected. So, it is a traditional method, that is Kudavolai. It is a method where a village people gathered and wrote the names of the selected candidates in a palm leaves and kept them in a mud pot. And then a child was called to pick up a palm leaves one by one. Then the persons whose name in palm leaves were declared as elected. So, it was this Kudavolai method was used in a Chola kingdom. This method was used in a Chola kingdom to elect the candidates for village administration. Okay, children, some more interesting things are there in this lesson. We must know those things we'll see in our next class. Thank you, children. See you all.